How's it going, everyone? Adam West back again for Soulfly Sneakers, and today I've got something pretty special to show you. We're going to be looking at the Adidas collaboration with Juun.J from back in 2015. Now, if you're not familiar with Juun.J, he is a Korean fashion designer, uses a lot of sportswear influence, a lot of oversized stuff, heavy and technical elements. So if you've never heard of him before, I'd definitely go check him out. Pretty cool. Launched his debut selection back in 2007 at Paris Fashion Week and has been smashing it pretty much ever since. So let's take a look at these. Now, we've got the triple black colorway, and this is the only colorway that these were released in. See, we've got the upper and lower straps. And if we look at this from the front, so yeah, really nice shoe, premium materials. This is like a very soft leather, with a molded cup on the heel. And some synthetic elements around the eye stays. Now this, when it was released, retailed for around $585, which will have been about £450, something like that. And there are only, that I can find, 2 pairs of these in dead stock condition available online at the minute. I'll show you the gold torsion branding underneath here as well. Really nice. Yes, there's only 2 pairs of these available. The other one's a different size. I will be putting these up for sale, and I will throw the link down below. I guess it's kind of a seller's market, seeing as these are so rare. So I'll see how these do. They will be on StockX as well, but there's no other pairs of these available on StockX at the minute. But there'll probably be a bit of a premium on StockX just because they charge crazy fees. So I'd use the link below if you are interested. Just get the other one out. This one's got the tag on it, so that's why I didn't pull this one out first. Don't want that getting in the way. Yeah, really, really nice shoe. Unfortunately not in my size, and neither is the other one that I can find. If I do ever find these in my size, I would like to put these on. So yeah, hope you enjoyed taking a look at those. Like I said, not many pairs of those about, so if you do fancy them, that's a UK 10. And you can check them out by the link below, and all the other stock that we've got in. Also, I might as well mention, this is the new Change Clothing hoodie. You can learn all about Change at changeclothing.co.uk. This hoodie isn't actually out yet. This is just a sample piece that we've got. Check the printing quality and stuff, which hope you can tell is really nice. Yeah, and this is being released on October 1st. Again, I'll throw a link down below so you can check that out. Sorry, there's a crazy zoom thing going on. That's why I keep looking at the camera. I apologise, my equipment's really bad at the minute. But yeah, I'll catch you later.